Hey guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we will be making this beautiful cherry blossom tree. So first make its branch and then the grass. Now take a mask sheet, color it and then put the clay on the paper like this. Now put the tissues inside it like this and it's ready. Next we will take a black color sheet and put the green color clay on it. Now spread it. Now put the white clay like this. Now we will make the mushrooms using multiple colors and it's ready. Next we will take a black color sheet and make the house on it using the earbuds. Now apply the glue and make the hot air balloon on it. Now color it and it's ready. Next we will take a blue color sheet and put a yellow color paper on it. Now take a white color clay and make the design like this by spreading it. Now take a green color clay, press it and make a leaf-like shape. Now make a coconut tree and the coconuts on it. Now make a starfish, a crab and some shells. So here the scenery of a beach is ready. I hope you liked it.